New Year! Welcome back. So today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. This is going to be really easy and just really simple. So what you'll need will be light brown sugar and granulated sugar, flour, butter at room temperature, chocolate chips, eggs, baking soda, and vanilla extract. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow them. So first what you want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And now what we're going to do is whisk together our flour and baking soda. Okay, now I just have to grab an electric mixer really quick, so I'll be right back.
Happy New Year! You get a car, and you get a car, and you get a car, and you get a custom lifty thing.
Okay, so I got the electric mixer, and now we're going to cream together all of our sugars, so light brown and granulated, our butter, and vanilla extract. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to look that. Here we go. I'm going to just cream it together until it's like light and fluffy, I guess. So. Add in our flour on low speed until it's all combined. Do like that much. Okay, so now we're going to fold in our chocolate chips. Let's get out the Christmas one. Okay, so now we're just going to let this rest for about 5 minutes, and while that sits, I'm also going to grab out the baking sheets. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes, and now I have all of my baking pans lined, or put the silicone mat on, and now we're going to put about 2 tablespoons into each cookie, so one per cookie. So it's a little less than that because it was big. Oh my god, these are so big. They're so big. What the? They'll be big. Okay, so once you're all done with that, you want to put it in the oven for 7 to 9 minutes. Okay, so the cookies have just finished, and now I'm going to take them out and put the other tray in. Some of them spread, but that's okay. Now I'm going to set this for 7 minutes. Okay, so the other ones are done now, and I need the little trivet that I want to put on. So let's see. Ooh, I think these were the better ones. These look so good. Okay. Now we just want to let these cool for 5 minutes, and now I'm just going to take those off. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just gonna put these on the tray now. Not fall. Oh, that's more good. Okay, now we're going to just let these cool completely. I'm not trying one right now. I'll be right back. Okay, so these were like really, really good. And I'm not just saying that because I made them, it's just really good. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!